So I'm wearing a jacket from Weekday. The trousers are from Zara. The tank top is from, it's probably from Uniqlo. No, it's not Uniqlo. What's that shop? Weekday. And then this little thing from ASOS. It's been a while since I've done a recent pickups video, but I thought I would just show you what I got from ASOS a few weeks ago. I'm actually going to start off with these pair of jeans. They're like a brown. I think they're just. Oh, I think they're just just a brown pair of jeans. I thought they had a pattern to them, but they don't, which is fine. They fit really well. But the thing is, I'm still not used to my jeans hugging me like this. I don't think my jeans can fit any better than that. They are basically the model jeans. The crop jumper that I got from Bershka in a large. I'm not going to wear it anytime soon. And to be honest, I don't know if it's... Maybe I should have got the medium. Because I would have thought it would have been... Well, to be honest, I don't know if the length... I need to double check. I'll double check if the length is shorter on a medium or if it's just the chest, but I think it's cool. But I thought it was going to be a bit more crop than that, but it's nice. It's alright. I bought this jacket last year in a medium and a large. Both of them were too short. Both of them were too big. And I accidentally brought a medium again instead of a small and an extra small, just to try the length out. So I know this is going to get returned, but I really do like the jacket. It's just, oh actually, you know what? That don't look that bad. Maybe I'll try the small, but I actually really like this shape. Something that I thought I could wear to work. It's like a vest, but with a pretty cool V-line. Yeah, I think I can wear this to work. You know, if it had a nice little white shirt underneath. I know I say this often, but this cake is my favourite cake. Like, I've made quite a few cakes in my time. not loads, but I've made a few cakes. And I want to say that banana cake, oh gosh, I do love banana cake. Banana cake and cinnamon buns, cinnamon rolls, whatever you want to call them, are just, for me, they're up there. And this cake, I think I surprised myself, in all honesty. It's so moist, it is so nice. Like, this is a cake that you want to make for your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, your auntie, uncle, niece, nephew, anyone that you know. Take that 15-20 minutes to prepare the cake and about 40 minutes to actually bake it. But honestly, so moist, so nice. And everyone's gonna think you're Mary Berry. Like, everyone's gonna think that you really know what you're doing. It's just that type of cake. It tastes like you know what you're doing. I'm actually not gonna cook any dinner today. I've taken some chicken out of the freezer, but it's not gonna be defrosted until tomorrow anyway. So I'm gonna order some McDonald's in. I know I shouldn't really be eating McDonald's. I'm trying to eat healthier, but it's a cheat day technically. Technically the second cheat day, but never mind. It's another cheat day. I'm not going anywhere tonight. I didn't want to go I didn't actually want to go and watch a movie. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow actually instead. Oh, I've got to take my hair out. I've got to take my hair out tonight because I'm getting it done in the morning. Okay, so I'm gonna eat, then I'll take my hair out, and then, oh man, I completely forgot about that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Order some food, put the laundry on the line, and take my hair out. That's gonna be a long night. Oh my gosh. I've got to take it out and wash it because my appointment's at 10 a.m. so there's no way I can even wait until tomorrow morning. Anyway, never mind. I'll get it done. Peace out.